Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. So guys, in today's video we are making chicken sauce, vegetable chicken sauce. So guys, these are our ingredients we are using. So this is our chicken and I'm going to mix it with gizzard and hot dog and carrots for the vegetable, broccoli, sweet pepper and green pepper and the red one. And I'm going to use onions, olive oil, curry, sweet corn and mixed with green beans, thyme and baked beans. So guys, we still have our pepper, salt and maggi. So I'm going to start washing the chicken and the gizzard. So I'll parboil it and I'll start slicing our vegetables. Okay guys, let's go. This is going to be yummy. So guys, I'm about to fry the chicken. So let's begin guys. So I'm going to turn the other side. I don't want our chicken to be too dry, so I'm going to take it out. You can allow your own to be dry the way you want, but I don't want mine to be dry. So now I'm going to add our gizzard to fry. I'm going to start frying our vegetable as our gizzard is on fire. So guys, we are going to start frying our vegetables. So my pot is dry. I'm going to add our olive oil. You can use red oil, you can use groundnut oil, depend on your choice. So guys, I'm going to allow it to heat for like 2 or 1 minute before adding our onions. So guys, I'm going to add our scotch bonnet pepper and our onions. Stir and leave it for some time before adding any other thing. Our carrot is going in. I've washed it very well. So I'm putting in our hot dog. Guys, please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, guys. Support us, okay? You can cook this for your dinner, for your party. So our red pepper and our green pepper is going in. I want to put all in together once. So our thyme, curry, Maggi and Maggi. So guys, we are going to add our broccoli and stir. Guys, this vegetable chicken sauce is very easy, very easy to make, and it's very good in our body. So I'm going to add the chicken and the gizzard in and stir it very well and cover it for some time also. I did not add water, guys. So guys, can you see our delicious vegetable chicken sauce? This pot is running, guys. This pot is running. Guys, check out our delicious chicken sauce. This recipe is very nice, healthy. You can make it for your children. You can use your you can eat it with rice, pasta, yam, anything of your choice. You can eat it. So guys, I'm going to take it down now because this is vegetable. We don't need it to be too soft. Guys, I did not add it to water, so let me taste. Yummy. I can't wait to enjoy. Guys, if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe.
2,000 years later.
Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, comment in the comment section. Comment in the comment section if you like this recipe. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Stay safe and be good. Guys, check out this delicious yummy chicken recipe. So I'm going to eat mine with spaghetti. So guys, let's enjoy this yummy delicious chicken sauce. So you can prepare this for your Easter and can also prepare it for dinner. So let's go guys, let me squander this down. Bon appetit.